Hello, we are in week 3 and let's have a look at how to make a question set. I'm here in online courses for free. Edit mode is on. I have already made one question set that I will show you later. But in order to create a question set, first I need to add an activity or resource. I choose the interactive content, but remember you can choose the blue H5P icon as well. Okay, I'm here, I'm going to expand all, and I will create content. I'm going to look for question set, quiz, or question set, because we're going to create a sequence of various question types. Remember that you can also watch a tutorial and an example. I can use this to enter full screen, so everything gets bigger. I'm going to give this a title. It's going to be the Radley family. I can expand this and make a kind of introduction. It could be, let's meet the Radleys. It will show a start quiz button, and we can put a background image. I have already prepared some pictures for this task. For example, I created this background picture with Canva and with artificial intelligence for the picture using Bing Image Creator. I'm uploading, and the first thing when dealing with images is to attribute. Now, what's the name? Well, this is the background or family. Who's the author? Well, the picture was created by me with the help of Bing Image Creator. Okay, so I'm going to write my name, year, this year. The source, well, I created it with Canva and Bing Image Creator. The license I choose is Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike version 4.0. I'm going to put Canva, and I'm going to credit the image later when I use the image specifically. Oh, wait, I have to put this HTTPS like this. Okay, now it's okay. Now, I'm not going to use a background image for the question set, but you could choose one if you want to. The best percentage, I'm going to give a 60 for all the activities, the activity as a whole. Okay, but now the questions come. Let's choose, for example, true false. We are going to give it a title, true false question, and I'm going to add media. In this case, this week we are dealing with images, and we are going to add an image. It will be this background family picture. Okay, now this picture is decorative, and the question will be this. This is the text I have. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to write the first question. For example, Allison is Ron's wife. Okay, I'm going to make this bigger, and the answer is true. I will leave this as it is. I can complete the feedback with some expression on correct answer and on wrong answer, and I want to see the results, the solution button, and the retry button as well. Okay, and we are going to add a question. We can add, for example, multiple choice question. This is going to be called multiple choice. We can put the media image. We are going to add, okay, this one better because this one has the text. And let's go back to the true false because here I want to change the image. I don't want this. I want the one with the text. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to put the one with the text better. I already created this on Canva. Okay, so I can take this text out because it's gonna be in the image. And here I will only leave, the sentence. Alison is Ron's wife. Okay. Now, in metadata, I'm going to include all the information I have. Okay. Now, what's the name? The Radley family. That's the name I gave to this picture I created. It's non-commercial share alike. It's this year's creation. No source because I created it on Canva. I could put this here. https canva.com, and I created that. I save. I can also add the information about this picture that I created on Bing. Yeah. In the metadata, I can write image of family generated by AI on, and I can copy the link. Generated. This is, let me copy it. Okay, this is the website for Bing Image Creator. Okay. So, going back to the multiple choice, I have the image, I credited everything, and it's not decorative because it has the text. I'm going to leave this unticked because I want the student to use zoom in and have a look at the image. The question for this multiple choice could be, Alison is Ted's mom. Okay, if we have a look at the information about this family, Ted is Alison's son. Ted is, and let me put this like this. I'm going to put this, and the options will be Ted's, which is correct, Ron's, and I can leave just two options. Okay, behavioral settings, everything is as it is. Okay, the pass percentage, I'm going to put 70. Okay, now then I can also add another question. For example, it could be mark the words. Now let me show you this image choice better. Here I'm going to enter some media, in this case image. I'm going to add a picture of this family with the text. This will be displayed above the question. Again, I'm going to enter all the information. The Radley family. The license is non-commercial shell alike because it's mine. I created it with Bing on Canva. It's a combination of text, picture, and some design. I'm going to write the website for Canva, and here the one from Bing because I created that, the picture of the family with Bing. Okay, image generated on Bing. Okay, I'm going to save it, and the question here will be, what's Allison's occupation? And the options will be images. Okay, we're going to put one image of a doctor, and I'm going to attribute. I have in my document the information. This is the author. I took the picture from a website that has public domain pictures. The title is Doctor. If I go back to my document, I don't have the year, but this is the source. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. I don't know the year, but I know it's public domain, and the license by public domain dedication CC 0. Okay, and this is it. Okay, now I can edit the image because it's very big, so I can crop it, and I can decide to have the picture like this. Then I click OK. I save it. I'm not going to write an alternative text. Okay. Well, yeah. Okay. I'm going to, sorry. I have to, in case the browser can't load the image. Okay, and this will be correct because Allison is a doctor. But the other option will be, let's see, I have a picture of a dentist, and I'm going to attribute this in my document. This is the name, Tooth Health. I'm going to add this here. It's not mine. It belongs to this person. Okay. So I'm going to add it here. The license is public domain, and the source is this one. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. I save the metadata, and the alternative text is dentist. This is not correct because Allison is not a dentist. Okay, and I can edit the picture too. Maybe it's too wide, so I can crop it, and I can leave the image this size. I save it, and I'm not going to randomize the questions, but you see that if I scroll down, I don't see the save button because I made it bigger. So I proceed to save. I'm back to the original size. I see my 3 questions, a true false, a multiple choice, an image choice, and I'm going to display action bar and frame, the copyright, so I can see the attributions. The grade to pass, I'm going to put a 6 out of 10. I'm not going to change anything here. I can choose completion conditions, add requirements, to view and to receive a grade, a passing grade. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so now that is loaded, we can see the background at the beginning with the name, let's meet the Radleys, and the button to start the quiz. If I go here, I can see the rights of use. Then we will have a look. We start the quiz, and here we see the text. If I click on the text becomes bigger. The text is in an image. It's an image that gets bigger. Okay? Remember, I told you I created this on Canva. I generated this with AI at Bing Image Creator, and then I uploaded it in Canva. I put this design and I wrote the text. Alison is Ron's wife. If we have a look, yeah, Alison is married to Ron. So Alison is Ron's wife. That's true. Great. And now I can continue because I have 2 more activities. Again, I have the text here for the student to zoom in. And I have to choose the correct answer. Alison is Ted's mom. And that's right. I click on the next one. Okay. Here, yeah, you see you have the 2 pictures. What's Alison's occupation? I have the text for them to check. My family doctor is Dr. Radley. Her first name is Alison. So, I click on this picture. Great. If I click on Finish, I can see I got 3 out of 3. The 3 activities. I can retry and do it again. We can reuse, embed this activity. If I click on reuse, I will be able to download it. Reuse, download, or copy content. If I click on embed, I will have an embedding code I can use to embed this in, for example, a page on Moodle. And if I click on rights of use, I have this picture, family. I have the other picture with the text and all the information. I have the picture of the doctor with information, attribution, license, and source, and the picture of the dentist, okay, with all the attribution. Excellent. Now, I want to show you another activity I created with more question types. We invite you to come to our sandbox and have a look at all these activities. In this question set, I created different questions. Let's meet the Radleys. We have this true-false. There are 5 people in the Radley family, which is false. We have a multiple choice. Sylvia is Ted's sister. We have mark the words, click on the occupations in the text, have lawyer, policeman, doctor, and dentist. I have a drag the words. In this case, I didn't put any picture, but I could have added the picture of the family just to decorate. And I have this image choice. Alison is a doctor. Okay, so I hope you liked it. There are lots of possibilities. One important thing when we choose the different kinds of questions we can include all the question types we have seen in week 2. Please don't choose drag and drop because it's a question type we haven't seen and it's quite complex. We will work on drag and drop in the advanced H5P course. Okay, I hope you liked it. Bye.